Easy to install. No cutting, no splicing. This trailer wiring harness tees into an existing USCAR connection on your vehicle and equips it with a standard 5-pin trailer wiring connector for plugging in and towing a trailer. Standard connector. The 5-flat trailer wiring can be used to connect trailer tail lights, brake lights, reverse lights and turn signals. 5-way trailer wiring is popular on a wide variety of trailers, adding versatile towing options for your vehicle. USCAR-SPECIFIC. This USCAR wiring harness is designed for select vehicles with a standard USCAR socket, ensuring the easiest possible installation and the most reliable wiring connection. Easy grip. Plugging in your trailer wiring and trailer lights is easy with the ergonomic design of this vehicle socket. It features a tab on top for a better grip when plugging into your trailer or unplugging. Durable construction. For long-lasting use and a reliable connection, the housing of the 5-pin vehicle wiring socket is made from durable black molded rubber that will never rust or corrode. Slit loom keeps wires contained and well protected. Stress is the last thing you should feel when towing a trailer. Whether you're hauling your RV to that favorite camping destination, your ATVs up to the hunting grounds or your fishing boat to the new hidden hotspot. At CURT, we think your towing equipment should add to the enjoyment of your experience, not detract from it. CURT custom wiring connectors are the easiest way to outfit your vehicle with a CURT trailer wiring connection. They are built with some of the most advanced technology in the industry, and each one is custom fitted to work with a specific make and model. Some automotive manufacturers install a special socket on the vehicle to be used for vehicle-to-trailer wiring. Though this special socket is not equipped on every vehicle, a CURT custom wiring connector, also called a T-connector, utilizes the socket for simple, stress-free installation. Rather than requiring you to cut, splice and solder into your vehicle's wiring system, the custom wiring connector uses a single OEM-compatible plug and instantly provides a standard vehicle-to-trailer wiring connection, typically in the form of 4-way flat. All CURT custom wiring connectors are made vehicle-specific for the easiest possible installation and the best fit. This particular connector provides a 5-way flat socket while retaining use of the existing OEM socket. It is designed to be a custom wiring option for a variety of vehicles. See application info to verify fitment with your vehicle. It comes with a dust cover to keep the connector socket clean when not in use. Top reviews from the United States. CURT Y adapter harness for trailer wiring. Perfect for a plug-and-play install. Now you have an auxiliary connector with cover if you need to tap into trailer wiring without cutting factory wire harness.